Hey there, I'm popping in to show you how to make a line journal page using PowerPoint. Okay, so I've opened up PowerPoint on my desktop, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create a blank presentation, and I'm going to create a letter size journal page. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this information here. I'm going to go to slide size and I'm going to select custom slide size. And I'm going to put in 8.5 for my width and 11 for my height and click OK. Here, it doesn't matter whether you choose maximize or ensure fit because we have nothing on a page. So I'm just going to select the first one. And just like that, boom, we have a letter size page. Okay, so if I wanted to create a line journal page, I can do that very quickly by simply going over to Insert, go to Table, and I'm just going to select Table here. I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to spread this out, and I'm going to right click to add a few more rows below. It doesn't really matter whether you choose below or above. And I'm going to do a few more lines. Okay. All right, so those are my lines. I know it doesn't look quite right yet. So what I'm going to go over here to my table format and I'm going to change it to completely blank. Don't worry, we didn't lose anything. It's just we've made it blank. So I'm going to make sure that on my line, I'm going to change my line. Well, I'm going to leave it to 1 point, and you can change it to different if you want it to be a dashed line, but I'm just going to use the standard line. I'm going to leave my pen color at black, and then I'm going to go back over here to borders, and I'm going to choose inside horizontal borders. And just like that, I've created a line journal page that someone could use as a template. Okay, that was real quick. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye-bye.